welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. Now, I think I did awesome in my haul. Now, I did pay a little bit more out of pocket than I wanted to, but I'm starting to really build up my ECBs. At one point, I was having $60 in ECBs, and it didn't matter. And now it's like, at one point, I had like $15. It's just getting worse. So I'm really trying to build up my ECBs, but even after me paying a little out of pocket, I think I did awesome, awesome, awesome. So I'm just going to dig in and share with you guys what I got. Now, most of you guys know I have two cards because each card has different deals. And there are sometimes where I do the same deals on both cards because you can't pass up free. So I just wanted to share with you guys on that. So the easy freebie that you guys definitely want to do this week is the Crest toothpaste. Now, I did these on both cards. These were on sale for $3. There is a $2 off digital coupon that you guys want to clip to your card. You guys would just end up paying $1 for this, but then you guys will end up getting $1 back in an ECB, making it free, 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 free. I think toothpaste should always be free, but you know, anything under a quarter could be an okay deal. And this is the Pro Health Scope toothpaste. So this is probably something I'm going to try because I do like the Scope mouthwash. So I was pretty excited to use that. Now, I did this deal with both cards because I have friends who love this stuff and like are brand loyal, so I'm like, I'll get these for them. So the L'Oreal Leave is at my store for $4.99. I had a 4 off of 2 coupon that you guys want to use, and I want to thank you, Candace, for sending me some of those coupons. I was able to use those. I still have some extras, but I was able to use the ones that you had because it's so convenient that they're already cut out for me. So thank you, Candace. Or Candace, yeah. Sorry, but you guys would end up paying $5.98 for both of these. And then you guys will get a $4 ECB back by buying 2 of them. Comes out to be $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece. And I think its average is 99 cents a piece or $1 for shampoo. It's a pretty good deal. And like I said, I used it for both cards because I've been this is a great month. Like, July has been the best month on getting shampoo. Like, the whole month of June, I hardly got any shampoo. The month of May, I hardly got anything. But this is the month that I've been stocking up on shampoo, and I love it. I love having variety of stuff. Now, I ended up doing the Covergirl deal. I ended up getting the Covergirl eyebrow pencils. Now, again, I did this for both deals. So, these were $4.69. I used a 4 off of 2 coupon that was on coupons.com, and if you guys haven't already, they did reset, so make sure you print more of those. I've had that coupon reset on me twice already, so I got like 6, I got a bunch of these coupons. So you guys want to use that 4 off of 2. We also had a 3 off coupon that was printed from today's Red Machine. You guys would end up paying $2.38 for these. You guys will get a $5 ECB for buying 2 of them. Comes out to be a $2.62 moneymaker. I love hearing the word moneymaker because it's been a while since I've had a lot of moneymakers at CVS. Sorry. So I ended up getting those. Now I had it with another card, but I just threw everything on my desk. So yeah, so I ended up getting both of those on both cards. Okay. So I also got the Physicians Formula. Now I had 2 different scenarios for that for you guys. One of my cards, or actually both of my cards, I had a 3 off of 12 cosmetics, but I went to use it towards the Physicians Formula because it's just less out of pocket. Now, I also had a $4 off Physicians Formula that I got on savings.com. I don't know if it's still available. Those coupons go like that, so hopefully you guys did get some of those coupons. I know a couple people did post those coupons to print. But these were both $13.99. Now, my store has the 98th percent rule, or 90% rule, so like you can go just shy of it and you'll still get the ECB. So these were both $13.99. I paid both. I got each of these with one card. One item I paid $13.99 for this. I had a 3 off of 12 red machine CRT. So I ended up paying $10.99 for this. But then I got a $10 ECB, making it just 99 cents. So I thought 99 cents I think is a pretty good deal for a certain kind of makeup. And then the other one I used was also $13.99, and I used that $4 off coupon plus that 3 off of 12 CRT. I paid $6.99 for this. But then you guys get that $10 ECB, making it a $3.01 money maker. So I love it, I love it, love it. I am not a big fan of Physicians Formula, but I actually really want to try this. I kind of want to do a little bit more highlighting in my face. I really just need a makeover. I really need to go somewhere and just give me a makeover because I hate the way I put my makeup on. So, had to do that. Now I also did the Ajax soap. I did it in both transactions because I love getting soap. I just love, I guess I'm going to say it, I love hoarding soap. So I ended up getting the Ajax soap. There's 2 different flavors, so I got them. They were 99 cents. We all got a 50-cent CRT that printed from the red machine. You guys would just get these for 49 cents. So I got the triple action or the super degreaser. So go for that if you guys can. Now I also went crazy on the Tide Pods because I had 6 of those Tide Pod coupons left, and this came out in my favor. Now hopefully your guys' store is not strict on coupons. So what I ended up doing is I got the Tide Pods, but I bought 6 of them. Now I still follow the rules on the limits, so I do use a limit of 2 per transaction, but I just don't use limit 2 per transaction per household, blah blah blah. Because I technically lived in different households at the time, you know. So anyways, I bought 6 of these Tide Pods. I got them all down here. And I did 3 separate transactions with these, you guys. So I ended up using 6 of those $3 off coupons that we got from the July P&G. So after all 3 transactions, it came out to be $11.64. I ended up getting a $10 ECB for spending $30. Came out to be $1.64 or just 27 cents a piece. 27 cents is an awesome, awesome deal, and I am pretty much done with getting Tide for the month. That is just an awesome, awesome deal. I also ended up getting the Suave Gold shampoo. I wouldn't say this is the greatest deal, but I like to have variety in shampoo. So when my friends and family come over and they want to shop the Jennifer store, I got this stuff for them. So these were $4.29. It was buy one, get one 50% off. So you'd want buy 2 of them at $4.29 and the other one at 50% off. I had a 3 off of 2 Suave CRT. Came out to be $7.72 for all 3 of these. But then you guys will get a $4 ECB, I think, for buying 3. Makes the final price for this just $3.72 or $1.24. Again, not the greatest deal, but if you guys are brand loyal, go for it. You see if you guys have those CRTs. Okay. I am just losing stuff left and right. Now I did the Gliss deal. Now I was going to do the hair dye, but I didn't have those coupons. So the Gliss is 2 for $10, okay? You guys want to buy 4, or you guys can buy the hair dye and then 2 for these, but I didn't get the hair dye coupon. So I just ended up using 2 separate transactions, and I did the Gliss deal. Now I am not a big fan of Gliss. The ones I used, I didn't feel like it did anything, but these ones might be a little bit special, but some people really like it. So these are 2 for $10. I used 2 separate transactions and 2 different coupons because a coupon does limit you 1 per transaction. I used 2 4 off of 2 coupons. I also had a 2 off of 2 CRT that I used in one of the transactions. So if you combined everything together, I paid $10 for all 4 of these bottles. But then you guys get $7 back in an ECB. Makes the final price for these just $3 or 75 cents a piece. So if you guys are brand loyal to Gliss, 75 cents is an okay deal. Yes, yes, yes. I'm just trying to empty my bags. I use these reusable bags like crazy. I get these at IKEA, and I have some to give away in the near future. I just got to figure out when I'm going to do it. I'm probably going to do it when I hit 25,000 subscribers. But I'm going to do some giveaways with those bags because those bags are awesome. I've been using them for over a year. I can put so much weight in them, and they do not rip. Yeah. Next thing I got is the Lumify. I thought I had, there it is. Okay, I bought the Lumify eye drops or whatever these are. These were $14.99. Crazy. I had a $2 off coupon that we got from a while back ago. I also got a $5 off CRT from the Redbox. So I ended up paying $7.99 for this. But then you guys will get a $3 back ECB for just buying one. And you guys can also submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this $1.99. So getting from $14.99 to $1.99, I think that is a great deal. It's by Bosch & Lomb. It just, redness reliever eyes drops, works in a minute, lasts up to 8 hours. So if you guys are interested in something like that, I also got the Gray Away. These were $8.99. I used a $3 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. I also, or you guys would end up paying $5.99 for this. But then you guys will get a $4 back ECB. Plus you guys can submit a $2.50 rebate on Ibotta, making it a 51-cent moneymaker. So you can't go wrong with 51-cent moneymaker hair stuff. And this is just like a crayon that you just kind of cover up your hair. I don't know if it just lasts that day. Okay, remove cap, blah, 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 blah. I don't know how long it's supposed to last for, but if you guys need some root touch-up, now, I also did the Wet n Wild deal, and I did 2 different deals because I love it when I get those 4 off of 10 CRT coupons. So I got the highlighting powder and I got the eyeshadow primer. Now, I do wear eyeshadow primer. I wear Urban Decay, but I'm like cheap, so a lot of you guys said that this was a good primer. So these were both $4.99. My store does follow in that 98% rule, or yeah. I also had a $1 off coupon off of any Wet n Wild that I also got from savings.com. I used that 4 off of 10 CRT. So I ended up paying $4.98 for these, but then I got $5 back in an ECB, making it just 2 cents moneymaker. So I got these absolutely free. And I'm actually, like I said, I want to start doing more highlighting just because I want to brighten up my skin. So I ended up getting those. Now also with the Wet n Wild, my other card, I ended up getting the nail polish because I have people who like to do nail polish and I like to do projects with nail polish. So these were each $1.49, and then I also got the highlighting powder. So these were $4.99 and $1.49. I also had that $1 off coupon that was on savings.com plus that 4 off of 10 CRT. So I paid $5.95 for all 5 items, but then I got a $5 back ECB, making it just 95 cents. So I think 95 cents for 5 items is a pretty good deal. And then the last aisle, now you guys don't know this, but let's say you print something, if you guys scan your card at the red machine, I have to sometimes scan my card for each card 3 or 4 times because I thought I saw a Skittles thing on my account and I'm like, where is it? So I went back and reprinted it off and I had more CRTs pop up. So definitely make sure you guys scan your cards several times. But I ended up getting some Skittles. Now these were 3 for $3. I had a 50 cents off a 2 coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. I also got a 2 off a 2 small bag CRT. Ended up getting all 3 of these for just 50 cents. 50 cents. I think that is a great deal. So I had to share with you guys on that. So that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. I got a lot of variety of stuff. But with my old card, I ended up doing 3 transactions. One was everything, and then the second one was just Tide, or 2 Tides and 2 Gliss, and then the third one was just the Tide. So transaction number 1 was $28.45. I ended up using $20 worth of ECBs, but I did receive $36 back in ECBs, so that came out to be $12.45 for everything. Transaction number 2 came to $9.88. I received $7 in ECBs. That came out to be $2.88. Transaction number 3 was $3.88. I received $10 back, so that came to be a $6.72 moneymaker. And then with my newer card, the transaction number 1 was just all I did. It came to $1.79. I used $19.50 worth of ECBs, but I did receive $20 back. So I came out to be $1.29 for everything. And I also forgot to mention with my first card, I actually got a coupon that printed at the bottom of my receipt for $8 off of 60. So that one worked just fine. But if you add all 4 transactions, it came out to be $9.90. I ended up getting $5.50 back with Ibotta. So the final total came to $4.40. I did also scan my receipt for Fetch Rewards for the swab, so I got 150 points for that. So those points do add up to get gift cards. But if you guys think about it, I got 42 items. 42 items for $4.40. I think that is a great deal. I did pay a lot of money out of pocket, but I'm also getting more ECBs than I have ever. Everything came out to be just 10 cents a piece. So I'm not complaining when I can get everything for 10 cents a piece. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed it. One thing I do want to mention in case you guys didn't get a chance is the Coupon Addict t-shirts. I made them available again. For those who already ordered previously, you guys will be those will be starting to ship by the end of this week. But those who haven't, you guys have until Tuesday, August 2nd or July. I can't remember. If you go out, there's a link below. You guys can click it. And you guys can get these shirts starting at $13.99, but they are no longer available after that. Just giving you guys a heads up. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it. Let me know if I missed any awesome deals. And I will see you guys all next week for another CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.